How to fix Snapchat video sound not working. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat application. After that, tap on your profile icon, tap on settings, tap on notifications, scroll down and enable these two options, vibrate and sound. After that, go back and then tap and long press and hold on Snapchat application. After that, tap on app info. Now you have to allow all the permissions. So tap on microphone, make sure to allow the permissions. After that, tap on notifications and enable this option. After that, go back, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache. Now the Snapchat sound not working has been fixed. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.